Invention and innovation have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. From wheel and printing press to internet and smartphones, technology has only made us more efficient, connected, and comfortable. The best thing about innovation is that it never stops. It keeps on amazing our brains. Just like that, here is a list of 12 genius tools that are definitely on some other level. 𝗗𝗂𝗟𝗏 mixing paddle. This turbo mixing paddle has been designed using durable and high-quality rubber. It can be seamlessly connected to an 18-volt cordless drill. Once it is connected, you can use it for non-stop mixing all day. The paddles are lightweight, and so the paddle can be spun at high torques. Since the paddle has been made using high-quality rubber, it is easy to clean. As compared to a regular mixing paddle, the superior quality rubber blade in the 𝗗𝗂 mixing paddle considerably reduces the mixing time for any mixture. It is perfectly suitable for professionals in construction business, whether it is cement, plaster, or paint, or any other thick or thin mixture. 𝗗𝗂𝗟𝗏 mixing paddle is there to hold your back. Tumbler heat press machine. Tumbler heat press machine is a super 500-watt beast with ergonomic, comfortable construction to provide high-quality sublimation prints on your mugs and bottles. You can print 2 mugs, one of 11 ounce and the other of 15 ounces at the same time. The control panels allow you to set the time and the temperature. The machine weighs 10 kilograms, and the pressing machine package comes with fuses, a user manual, 1 high-temperature tape, and a cup ironing machine. It can be used to imprint on tumblers measuring 20 centimeters in height and 7 to 8 centimeters in width. All you have to do is set the sublimation print design on the cup or mug, set the machine, close the heating pad tightly around the mug for a specified time, and your DIY printed mug will be ready. 𝗵𝗏 belt overlap welding machine. This overlap welding hot press machine has changed the work pattern for construction professionals. 𝗵𝗏 belt HP01 hot press has been specifically designed for the industrial production of welded connections for conveyor belts. HP01 provides precise control of the process and is suitable for both on-site use and in domestic or confined places. You also get to have the option to make it water or air-cooled version. The water-cooled version uses a small water tank which is set up and places below the level of operation, while the air-cooled version uses a small ventilation fan gadget. The hot press is perfectly compatible for producing overlap welds of conveyor belts as well as butt and overlap welds for various types and shapes such as round and V-shaped. For V belts, the diameter ranges from 6 by 4 to 22 by 14 millimeters, whereas for round ones, it is 6 to 20 millimeters. With the use of appropriate molds for connection, this heat press is capable of welding timing and flat belts up to a maximum width of 50 millimeters. 𝗵𝗏stripper 2.0 floor removal. This 𝗵𝗏stripper floor remover gadget comes in 2 ratings, 115 and 230. It uses 2 kinds of bearings. The larger ones at the rear end of the machine helps you move it around easily. You can remove several square feet of damaged floor without having to forcefully push or pull it. The smaller bearings produce vibrations in the floor so that the weak and damaged floor layer comes off easily. The stripper features a mighty 2.6 kilowatt power which can uplift floor surfaces ranging from 60 to up to 100 meters square. The stripper also uses 2 blades. One measures 210 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 0.7 millimeters, and the other one measures 210 millimeters by 60 millimeters by 1 millimeter. This gadget also comes with blade covers so that you can store your stripper anywhere safely. The rugged bottom surface of the machine allows for the roughest and the hardest floors to come off. The metal chassis of the stripper provides a long life. Construction and repair professionals can use this floor remover stripper to take off worn-out surfaces as effortlessly as vacuuming a surface. 𝗫𝗏ster UniFloor 500. The 𝗫𝗏ster UniFloor 500 is a specialized tool designed for welding resilient floor coverings such as vinyl, linoleum, and polyolefin. The tool is designed to work quickly with a welding speed of up to 8 meters per minute. The UniFloor 500 offers a precise and constant temperature control, allowing for consistent and high-quality welds. The exact motor power of the UniFloor 500 may vary depending on the specific model. It typically has a motor power of around 1600 watts. The pair of brushless motors operate with minimum noise, saving energy and nuisance. The UniFloor 500 is lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport and use on-site. Also, it is pretty straightforward to operate. You can control it using a simple control panel and intuitive buttons. Optimus Weed Brush. This genius tool looks like a regular weed brush, but in efficiency, it definitely crosses regular expectations. It is a hydraulic-driven weed brush that comes as an add-on with the Optimus paving machine. As an attachment, it forms an optimum system of cleaning of weeds, without any rigorous effort or use of harmful chemicals. The Optimus weed brush has a diameter of 750 millimeters, and the bristles are actually bundles of wire to ensure efficient cleaning. The wire bundles are able to agitate the tiniest and the deepest particles of dirt. The support wheel of the brush has an adjustment height measuring 200 by 50 millimeters. The mechanical side shift feature lets you rotate and incline it so that even the weeds located right along the margins could be pulled out without any skidding or unnecessary damage. The angle of the inclination is under manual control. The weed brush mechanism also comes with an anti-skid protection cloth, which ensures complete isolation and precision of the process. Fluke Digital Multimeter. Multimeters and relevant measuring tools are the part and parcel of industrial, construction, and electrical workers, but Fluke Digital Multimeter is here to be the best. This 87-volt digital multimeter has been designed to work on the toughest and roughest work sites. One of the key features of the Fluke Digital Diameter is the large and easy-to-read LCD display, which shows the measurement results in real time. It also features a unique function that allows the user to freeze the measurements on the screen and perform various calculations for further analysis. The Fluke Digital Diameter is capable of measuring diameters in the range of 0.0254 millimeters to 25.4 millimeters. With an accuracy of 0.05% of the reading, you can hardly expect anything better. Additionally, it is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple button interface and ergonomic shape for easy handling. Absolutely no manual needed to get started. In addition to giving the most precise readings of voltage and frequency, Fluke Multimeter has been successfully passed the drop tests from heights of up to 4 meters. It is water and dust resistant too. Iron Baltic Cargo Sleds. These are some heavy-duty, rough and tough cargo sleds that can be used with any commercial or domestic vehicle to carry almost anything. They are made from high-quality materials such as high-density polyethylene or fiberglass, which makes them durable, weather-resistant, and impact-resistant. These sleds can carry up to several hundred kilograms of cargo, and the best thing is the sled's slippery, wear-resistant surface, which allows you to load and unload most effortlessly. Iron cargo sled packages come with the cargo nets and towing kits to make all of your adventures totally worth it. This durable iron cargo sled weighs 40 kilograms and measures 8 millimeters in thickness. Iron Baltic cargo sleds are built to withstand the rigors of winter conditions. These can provide the same slipperiness, flexibility, and durability in temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. High-density polyethylene adds to the durability, and the tie-down hooks and eyelets on the sides make securing of the cargo easy and fast for the workers. Dutton Independent Tongue Jacks. Dutton Independent Tongue Jacks are electric jacks designed to lift and lower trailers with ease. The jacks operate independently, so that while you are lifting one side, the other side would not be affected at all. The wheels are 8 millimeters in diameter and are made from polypropylene to resist wear and tear by weather and harsh grounds. These jacks are powered by an electric motor, which makes them quick and easy to use. You can use both switch and remote for controlling the jack. These highly durable and electrically powered tongue jacks also come with built-in LED lights that illuminate the trailer track and make loading and unloading easier and more efficient. Dutton Independent Tongue Jacks come with a built-in safety switch, which prevents the jack from operating when the trailer is in motion. Makita Multifunctional Power Heads. Makita power heads, which are compatible with a variety of attachment tools, are a genius replacement of electric or gas-powered single-purpose tools. 2 lithium-ion batteries of 8 volts each provide 9,700 RPM and 3-speed controls. The BL motors have been designed to reduce energy consumption by up to 50%. All you have to do is keep your relevant Makita attachments at hand, and your power head will prune, cut, trim, and cultivate for you, taking a minimum of your time and energy. The attachments can be installed easily using a lever and lock system, and you will need no extra tools for that. The XPT technology provides extreme protection to the power head chassis even in the muddiest and bushiest areas. With the battery installed, it weighs around 9.8 pounds. Such a lightweight and ergonomic design make your ranch and garden maintenance fast, easy, and fun. Bosch Power Drill. This robust and powerful drill has made it efficient and easy for construction and industrial workers to work with concrete and large holes. It weighs 11.9 kilograms because of its robust and heavy-duty construction for optimum durability. Once you set this power drill up at the spot, this power setup can be used to drill holes measuring up to 350 millimeters in the toughest of materials. Besides, the sound pressure level almost never crosses 96 decibels, which speaks for its high-quality construction. The 3-stage gearbox allows precise and optimum control of speed and torque depending upon the requirement. It also uses a next-generation oil box for lubrication so that it takes minimum manual effort and provides maximum precision. 𝗏𝗟𝗡 15-inch benchtop English wheel. The 𝗏𝗟𝗡 benchtop wheel is a compact equipment that could be positioned on a shelf or desk and be used to make precise and appealing curves in flat metal sheets. The lower wheels are a 2-inch diameter and the upper wheel is 5 to 7/8 inches in diameter. The steel frame measures 1 inch in diameter, around 19 inches in height, and 23.25 inches in breadth. The upper wheel has a flat contour, whereas the lower wheels come in various radii ranging from 0.5 to 9 inches. The T25101 comes with a built-in storage rack for the lower wheel contours, an efficient level for easy adjustments, and a steel frame with a powder-coated finish. It has a sufficient throat capacity of 15 to 3/8 inch, and perfectly compatible to work with 16-gauge steel and aluminum. The quick-release lever lets you switch the lower wheel sizes and shape your metal sheets like a true professional. If you liked the video, check out this video. This is amazing. The water cuts the stone.